got me a new sewing machine, desperately needed. It's a nicer one. It's called the BabyLock Presto #2. It sews really fast, and I love it. It's got all kinds of little extra things in here for you to do, different zigzags, different designs, but it is super wonderful. Love it. It's an amazing machine. It really helps me to get a lot more material and a lot more workout. So I am in love with my BabyLock. So anybody needs a BabyLock Presto #2, I highly suggest you go in and grab one. They're wonderful. Thank you.